Hello, everyone. Wow, man, what an incredible shot of this lightning. Here's another lightning strike captured by this woman with her phone camera. The landslide that happened in China is really terrifying. These fishermen encounter a powerful tsunami. Fortunately, they were quick. In 2016, this group of climbers found themselves in a difficult situation in Argentina. Oh man, this guy is seriously stuck in the flood. It's really scary. This lucky man had forgotten something at home. Have you ever experienced a tornado like this? Just thinking about it is scary. A flood that carries cars away like pieces of wood.
Cubic meters of water in minutes.
A tornado hit Germany in 2019. This tornado caused significant damage, especially in the northern and eastern regions of the country. The wrath of nature, a downpour of large hailstones causing significant damage. In 2019, a street camera captured this massive landslide in China. Nature's fury unleashed, floods and storms remind us of its unstoppable power and the need to stay prepared. If you enjoyed this video, don't forget to subscribe.